Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Boy, do I have something cool to show you today if you like blades. So, okay, I do have to admit, I've opened this before the video, just because I couldn't wait. This is from Karesuando or Karesuando Knives. They are in a small village of the same name, Karesuando, in Sweden, on the Sweden-Finnish border. So they are pretty far north and pretty far cold. It's above the Arctic Circle. Anyway, here we go. This is what comes in this nice box. So we're gonna save that for last. You've got a little write-up about the company and everything like that. You've got a couple there's a sticker and a couple little pamphlets, about warranties and your choices of stuff. Comes with this little pouch with a nice file on it, or sharpener with a fine and coarse side. Even comes with this nice reindeer. This is actual reindeer pad in it. So it's even got the membrane and everything. And the hairs even come off. So what we're all waiting for is this. This is the Hunter 10. And look at that. It is a Damasteel DS93X blade. So basically, Damasteel is, to oversimplify it, it's a stainless Damascus done with powdered stainless steels. And that is a beautiful pattern. It's got a brass bolster. This is also reindeer. This is a curly birch handle. It's not full tang. I don't know how far the tang is. I don't know how far it goes down. I haven't checked that with a magnet. We'll probably do that here in a little bit. The blade length is 100 millimeters, so I'm not sure what that translates into. Let me check real quick. Okay, 3.93 inches long on that blade. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, it's a hardness of 60 on the Rockwell scale. And its overall length is 210 millimeters, which is 8.26 inches. So, it's a decent sized blade. Super beautiful on that pattern. And it comes sharp. I got a lot of hair though. So it does come sharp. There we go. That's a lot better. I haven't taken it out and beat things up with it yet, but I will, and I'll put that on video. But this is just such a beautiful blade. Does not have a 90-degree spine. The spine is not sharp, but it feels like you could sharpen it up if you really wanted to. Also, the sheath is made of reindeer as well, for both the knife and this sharpener. Both made of reindeer. It sits very well in there. It's got a drain hole, and there is actually a little piece of, I think it's plastic, or it could be bone, in deep down in there. You probably can't see. Oh wait, there you go. Yep, that helps hold the knife as well, so you don't accidentally slice the very bottom if you push it in too hard. retention is really good. You probably could wet form it a little bit, but that ring in there really kind of prevents it from wet forming down here lower. You might be able to take it out. I'm not going to try it. Let's find out where that tang is. Okay, so I grabbed a rare earth magnet. Let's find out. Okay, the steel is still magnetic, so that's good. Let's find out where that tang is. Also, this birch. Oh, I love the feeling of this birch. Okay, so I guess it stops right about where that swell is. Where this swell is, right? Don't know if you can really tell. There's a little swell right here before you get to this big one. And that is where the tang stops. So it's about halfway in there. And I just love the feeling of birch on handles. It just feels so nice. Okay, so that has been my sort of first look at the Karesuando Hunter 10. Can't wait to get this out and actually use it. It's so beautiful. I almost don't want to use it, but I mean, it's made to be used. So, let's get out there and actually use it. But it's just so beautiful. It is just so beautiful. I've wanted a Damasteel blade for quite a while, and the pricing on these is pretty reasonable for Damasteel. A lot of Damasteel stuff goes for a lot. Let's just say that. Also, if you do get one of these, even though you get the reindeer, oh, this is so soft, but it comes out so easy. I mean, you just get these hairs everywhere. So yeah, just gotta leave that stored in the box because I don't want to get it everywhere. But so far on this sort of unpacking, but not really unpacking, first impressions, I love this thing. It carries well, and I just can't wait to get up there and use it. I found this one actually through a US seller for a little cheaper than Karesuando. Everything on their sites in the Swedish kroner, I believe, and I got this from a local seller, domestic, US seller, not local as in right here, for I think it was about 630, and it's about almost 700 on Karesuando's website, and I'm not sure if that includes import taxes and shipping or not. So anyway, yeah, great blade, love it. I really hope it stands up to use for the price, but I mean, just it in and of itself, it's just such a beautiful blade, and it's a great showpiece, and I hope it's a go piece. Anyway, thank you for joining me, taking a look at this, and get out there and enjoy life, and stay tuned for a usage video sometime. Bye. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.